Hey Chandni, how are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm good, I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well, and after seeing you very, very well.
Oh.
Okay,
So,
so Chandni,
yeah,
first tell me how is everything over there in Bangalore?
in Bangalore, it's great. Actually, oh, sorry, I mean, you mean the COVID situation? It's not so great because, of course, a lot of things are happening right now. But slowly everything is opening up. People are normal, but
Yeah.
even though the cases are increasing and all that, but it's okay, I guess. People are
Okay.
just adjusting to the new norm, I guess. That's what's happening.
Yeah.
How's it
And
in
yeah, I checked your
Rajasthan?
phenomenon. Rajasthan, everything is fine as of now.
Okay,
Again,
cool,
same
cool.
thing as Bangalore. Like people are trying to be
Hmm.
adjusted as per current
Yeah,
thing.
correct.
Okay,
Cool.
so Chandni, let's start with your introduction.
Sure. So I am from Bangalore. I'm a Bangalore blogger, YouTuber, whatever you call it. I started my YouTube channel a year ago, actually more than a year ago. It's been 1.23 months, I guess. And yeah, I normally do travel vlogging and lifestyle. I guess I'm a decent singer too because I have like some few music videos done and stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I do. And currently, I also have my own business. It's called Healthy Chef, and currently working as a co-founder. And yeah, that's what I do pretty much. That's about me. Do you want to know anything in particular?
Yeah, not particular, but yeah, I have got some questions, so I will be asking them. I will be throwing those questions over you.
Sure. Excited to
Okay,
know.
so if talk about travel blogging, who is your personal favorite travel blogger?
I actually, pick up things from every YouTuber I usually watch. There's nobody in particular, but then if you have to ask me someone's work, the quality of work that really goes into, I think it's Larissa
Okay,
Disa. She is one of my favorite travel vlogger because the kind of content, the kind of effort she puts in making every vlog that she does is amazing. So I think, yeah, her should be her. Yeah.
best travel experience of your life, like most favorite travel experience of your life, which you will never forget.
Wow. You have asked a very difficult question. I don't know. Okay, I mean, because every travel experience, I learn something, and it's usually I don't know. I really can't answer that question because there are so many. Every time I travel, every time something I go to a place and something weird has to happen, and then I just get into some kind of an experience. But then, if you ask me one destination I would like to go back to or something like that, then I guess it will be um, Bali so my Bali trip, this time last year actually in November, I was in Bali and it was amazing. It was one of the bestest trips I guess of my life. And also one particular travel experience that I want to talk about is right now I can remember is this place called Sakleshpur in Karnataka. Okay,
Okay,
it's a hilly region and we'd been there for my cousin's birthday and we went there. It was pouring, it was pouring the entire time we were there. It was raining so heavily and we could not do anything except just stay and chill, drink coffee and just that. We were like just legit locked inside, so we didn't do anything. So yeah, that was pretty much it. That experience just felt like it's not about just traveling, it's about experiencing different things while you travel. So yeah, I guess that.
okay. Yeah, I got to check one of your Q&A video in which someone asked you about destination wedding, and you said you want to, you will go for destination wedding in Europe. So I want
Is
to
that
understand that equation.
destination Wedding. Okay, maybe. But of course, Europe is so beautiful. Who will not want a destination wedding in Europe? Tell me. Especially
No,
somewhere in Italy or something. What equation are you talking about?
no. I thought maybe you are going to get married or something.
No, please. I'm just 23. Spare
Yeah,
me
yeah. I
some
know.
time.
That's why I was like a little bit confused.
No, no, no. That was just a joke with my friend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's a girl, by the way. Just you.
Okay. Uh, yeah. How did you find out that you want to be a travel blogger? Travel blogging is something you want to pursue as your career.
I didn't think about it, I guess, consciously, but subconsciously it was always there in my head. So my family, we love traveling. Okay, we love traveling so much. From the time, I guess, I was the age of 18, 16, 18, I guess, we've always been traveling. My parents love traveling, so hence, they just pulled me along, and I realized that I really enjoyed the experience of just traveling and exploring new places and things like that. When I was in my college, I was really inclined towards the whole YouTube thing. Oh, cool! This is something that somebody can pursue because it's so new to India. Not a lot of people know about all these things. Even now, it's like a very strange concept for a lot of people, where they go like, what do you do? So it's still out there like that. So I guess pretty much last year, 2019, in February, when I was on a trip to Rajasthan itself, Jaipur, I just realized that I really enjoyed actually capturing those moments. That time I wasn't vlogging, but then I just like capturing those moments, taking random videos and, just talking about the place probably. So I just started picking up from there, and then finally in March, I started vlogging, but then I started my YouTube channel in June. So yeah, that's how it began. I just thought, why not actually share my experience with the world rather than just keeping it to myself. So yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, and that's how it happened.
Okay. In the end, I have learned a sentence in Kannada, especially for you. And
wow, I really appreciate this.
But I'm not sure about the pronunciation and all, so I hope you won't mind.
you trying is enough, Manthan. Go on.
Okay, so it is Nanu Sundar Hudigiya Rondige Matnadalu East Padutten.
Wow, nice. I understood what your point, by the way. You would like to explain it to people what you actually meant, so that everybody knows.
You can explain.
You like talking to a beautiful girl?
Absolutely.
Yay, see, you passed the test. Yeah.
Okay, so Chandni, this is it from my side. Now, if you want, you can do goodbye. Formalities from your side.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you, Manthan. I mean, it's really nice what you're doing. Picking up YouTubers who are just budding like me, and giving them a platform where there's a exchange of audience, like your viewers might be watching me, and etc. So it's nice to have like a conversation with someone who understands travel and gives importance to YouTubing and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for doing it.
Thank you so much, Anni. And yeah, I will put your channel name in the description box below, which is Let the Chant Shine, right?
Yeah, sure. That'll help.
So guys, you can check her channel there, and please spread your love to there. And
guys,
thank you very much,
Anni.
Anni. Yeah, sure. And I have already subscribed.
Yeah, and you've commented on a lot of things also. Thanks.
Okay, so thank you very much again, Chandni. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, Manthan. Bye.